In this video for the section 4.4 activity, we're going to solve exponential equations. This section is all about solving exponential and logarithmic equations. So we're starting with exponential equations. Our first question says, find the value of the question mark. 2 to the question mark power equals 32. Well, you might know off the top of your head that 2 to the 5th is 32. So that means that the question mark would have to equal 5. If you don't know it off the top of your head, you can use a logarithm to solve. So remember that when we're writing a logarithm, our subscript or our base is going to be 2, the number that the power is attached to. And then our middle number is going to be 32, the number that it's equal to in exponential form. And that's going to equal the power, which is question mark. So question mark equals log base 2 of 32. Now on the calculator, what I would do is I would use the change of base formula. So this is going to be log of 32 divided by log of 2. So on the calculator, log of 32 divided by log 2. And we do get 5. So now let's go on to part B. Now if we want to solve 2 to the 2x minus 1 power equals 32. I know from the part above that the power has to equal 5. So that means that 2x minus 1 has to equal 5. So since 2 to the 5th equals 32, 5 equals 2x minus 1. Then we can add 1 to both sides. And divide both sides by 2 to get that x equals 3. For question 2, we're going to start by rewriting e to the x equals 5.7 in log form. Remember that logs with base e are written with ln. So ln of 5.7 equals x. ln stands for log base e. E is the base in this problem. So ln of 5.7 equals the power, which is x. Now we're going to use a calculator to obtain a decimal approximation for the solution. So this time, I just need to use the ln button, ln of 5.7. So I see that x is about 1.74. For number 3, now we want to rewrite 5 to the x equals 17 in log form. So start by writing the word log. My base here is 5, so that's going to be the subscript. Log base 5 of 17 equals x. And now we're going to use the change of base formula to write the log as the quotient of 2 logs. So log base 5 of 17 is log of 17 divided by log of 5. And now we're going to use the calculator. So log of 17 divided by log of 5. And I can see that it's approximately 1.76.